Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the built-in Microsoft Edge browser from Windows 10. Microsoft has changed this up as it's moving to the new Settings and Apps with Windows 10. You can still get to this through the old control panel, but it's much simpler now through the Apps menu. And a quick note here on uninstalling this new version of Microsoft Edge from your machine. Since I've seen this come up in other places, this does uninstall the new Chromium-based version of Edge. But since Edge is a Windows feature, it will leave behind the old original version. But by uninstalling Edge through the Apps menu, it does get rid of the new version. To do this, click the Start menu button in the lower left. Find the settings icon that looks like the gear and click that. Next, select the Apps button. This is where you can now change or delete Windows 10 apps and features. Scroll down or search for Microsoft Edge and click it when you find it. Select Uninstall and again on the prompt that appears. On the User Account Control pop-up window, select Yes. Finally, you'll get a prompt asking you if you're sure you want to uninstall Microsoft Edge. You can also check the box here to clear your browsing data. Select Uninstall when you're ready to go. Once it uninstalls, a new window will open confirming that you've uninstalled the new Edge. You can either give a reason why you uninstalled or just close the browser. And that's how you uninstall the new Microsoft Edge browser from Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.